Hello everyone, this is Little Monkey. I'm happy to see you again.
Today we got so much milk.
The opportunity has arrived. Let's go. Chan, are you watching me?
Try to catch me. Kai. Wow. Done.
I forgot to close the door. The camera is broken. I have to check the monitor.
You'll never stop me! Crash! Static noise.
I will catch him no matter what. I'm sorry. I need the money.
Let's take all the money out. Be careful.
Be careful.
Yes.
It has to be strong. Hurry, finish the net before he comes back. Almost done. Yeah. Now let's set the trap in front of the barn and see what happens. Alright, let's hide somewhere safe and wait for him to appear.
Nice and back to grab more stuff. Empty. Empty. Gotcha.
I have to call out the police.
We're listening.
Hello? Panda police, the chimpanzee cow thief has been caught.
We're on our way.
Broke the camera.
We will handle it.
I was just joking. Every action has consequences.
Thank you so much.
You did very well.
Home now, dear dairy cow. Eat up, okay? It's safe now, Bo. From now on, careful. Always stay alert to protect your property. Thank you for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Oh, the field is too dry. Here we go. Superstar! I'm tired.
Let's go!
Superstar! We've arrived.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Let's go!
we stir home. Superstar! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay. Okie dokie.
Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Huh? Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Aha!
superstar! Oh, we stir home. Uncle Bear, there sits a crocodile here.
Okay.
Let's go!
Thank you!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay.
Let's go!
Thank you!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Oh no! What should I do now?
Here we go.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
Let's climb up. What should I do now? We have to call for help.
We have a situation at the main bridge, requesting immediate assistance. Roger that, we're on our way.
Let's go!
It went right down there, Mr. Panda. My little red tractor just rolled right over the edge. Looks like the main axle is completely seized. We'll need the heavy winch.
Let me tow the vehicle back for you.
Let's go!
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
Okay.
Thank you!
Here we go!
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
Let's go! I'm tired.
Let's sow the seed.
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
Okay.
Let's streets get ready to go to the market.
Let's go!
Look how shiny these are. I'll take 3 of the yellow ones.
They are perfect for the stew tonight.
Let's sits get ready to head home. Oh,
Okay.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
let's go home.
Badabing, badabong, badabang.
Wow!
Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Hello?
Let's guys go harvest the pineapples.
Oh, bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Superstar!
Okay. Huh? Huh? Oh no! Hey you! Stop!
What should I do now?
I'm listening. Yeah.
Yes, I copy that. We're sending a patrol car right away.
Let's go! Hello?
Officer, he was so big, and he took all my bananas.
Don't worry, son. We'll catch this thief and get your bananas back.
Aha!
Oh, bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Thank you!
I have a gift for you, Uncle.
Thank you!
Let's go!
Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Okay!
Oh,
Okie dokie!
bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Hello? Huh? What?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Oh, patabang. Patabing, patabong, patabang.
Okie dokie. Let's go.
Oh, get ready to hoist the cow up.
Oh no, are you okay?
Get in the vehicle, cow.
Let's go.
Get off the vehicle, cow.
Okay.
Be good, cow.
Okay.
Patabing, patabong, patabang.
Okie dokie. Okay.
Go into the barn. Cow.
Patabing, patabong, patabang.
Let's sis milk the cow.
Patabing, patabong, patabang.
Okie dokie.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Hello everyone. This is Little Monkey. I'm happy to see you again.
Today we got so much milk.
The opportunity has arrived.
Let's go.
Chan? Are you watching me? Try to catch me! Kai! Wow! Done.
I forgot to close the door. The camera is broken. I have to check the monitor.
You'll never stop me! Crash! Static noise.
I will catch him no matter what. I'm sorry. I need the money. Let's take all the money out. Be careful.
Be careful.
Yes. Thank you.
It has to be strong.
Hurry, finish the net before he comes back.
Almost done. Yeah.
Now, let's set the trap in front of the barn and see what happens. Alright, let's hide somewhere safe and wait for him to appear.
Nice and egg. Back to grab more stuff. Empty. Empty. Gotcha.
I have to call out the police.
We're listening. We're listening.
Hello? Panda police, the chimpanzee cow thief has been caught.
We're on our way.
Start.
He stole the cow and broke the camera.
We will handle it.
I was just joking.
Every action has consequences.
Thank you so much. Dada.
You did very well.
What a relief. Let's go home.
We start home now, dear dairy cow. Eat up, okay?
It's so safe now, Bo. From now on, I'll be more careful.